all sorts of things. My first thought was, I wonder if he gets paid for all these job titles. But anyway, that's a different story altogether. But if the Queen is distancing herself from here, is she kind of saying, look, I think you're guilty?
Well, I think some of the public will infer that. She isn't going to say anything publicly along those lines. But this, in reality, is damage limitation. It's long been speculated on in the UK that Prince Andrew is actually the Queen's favourite son. So I think on a personal level, she obviously wants to do what any mother would do, which is support their child. But from a reputational point of view, she's needing to put a little bit of distance between Prince Andrew and the rest of the monarchy, the rest of the royal family. So he's got these titles, a lot of charities, a lot of public sector organisations who put his picture on their website. He might come along and cut a ribbon when they open a new facility somewhere. So he's going to lose that as a privilege of being a member of the royal family. That's been reassigned to other members of the royal family, and it's very much a case of casting him aside. Fight for yourself and do it on your own. And the other important thing I would add, Murad, is that he has to pay his legal fees as a private citizen. And his financial affairs, he isn't paid for these roles, to answer that question. He does it out of duty. But his financial affairs are going to come under scrutiny here, because how's he going to pay for these legal fees, which could get very expensive indeed? And if the Queen was to perhaps pay for part of it or help him out financially, then there could be a bit of a public uproar, because it's taxpayers' money at the end of the day.